what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the pin-up filter trend on TikTok. So for that, if you are looking for the effect here in TikTok, you'll not get the effect here because this effect is from Snapchat. So you need to have Snapchat in your device, and once you have Snapchat, what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So visit this page here, and here you will see the snap code for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat. Okay, you will see this pop-up, unlock for 48 hours, tap there. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So now what you have to do, you have to record a video here in Snapchat. So record a video and save it to your camera roll, and from there you can use the video in TikTok. So let me record a small video. Let's save it. Now let's go to TikTok. This is the upload button here in TikTok. Okay, this is the video we just made. Select the video, hit next, hit next. Okay, now if you want to add some sound or if you want to add some sticker, you can do it here. And once you are done, hit next, and you are ready to share it to TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this pin-up filter thing on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.